Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make Windows 10 desktop icons smaller. If you want to adjust the size of your desktop icons in Windows 10, follow these simple steps. Use right-click menu. This is the quickest method to change the icon size. Right-click on anywhere on your desktop or just on empty space. Hover over View and the context menu. Here, you'll see three options for icon sizes: large icons, medium icons or the default size, or small icons. Choose small icons to reduce the size. Use mouse scroll wheel. You can also resize icons directly using your mouse. Left click anywhere on your desktop to make sure it's active. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard. While holding the Control key, scroll your mouse wheel up to make icons larger, or down to make them smaller. Release the Control key when you are satisfied with the size. These methods should allow you to make your desktop icons smaller or adjust them to your preference. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.